What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great, you're all doing well, and I'm back with another great product and with another great review. So in this video I'm going to review a perfume from a very new and very underrated house, and the mother brand behind this brand, this is a sub brand of a brand, so the main brand here behind this brand is DUMONT Paris. And if you guys are following me on my Instagram, I'm sure you have seen my reel for DUMONT Paris. They had that red colored stand. So DUMONT is creating amazing perfumes and amazing blends. Somehow until now they are a bit underrated, but I'm telling you guys, the quality of their fragrances, the blendings, the perfumes are just amazing. And they have like 2 to 3 sub brands. They have Barouge, and then they have Panucci or Panucci, I think, and then they have DUMONT Paris, and one of their most famous fragrance is Nitro Red, and now Nitro Intense. Now they have Nitro White, Nitro Gold. All those fragrances are really amazing. The quality and blending is really top notch, and I'm telling you guys, in coming few years, maybe few months or few years, but in very near future, this brand is going to be big because the quality they are bringing is really amazing. So in this video I'm going to review a perfume from one of their sister brand, and that brand is Panucci or Panucci. I'm not sure what this word is. Let's call it Panucci. So this is Soprano Ice. They have a couple of perfumes in this Soprano lineup, and the one I got here is Ice, and this is something which make you feel amazed, excited, and this is something which makes you feel really good, and you will laugh that, oh, at least I got something really nice, something different, something unique, and you will enjoy the composition, you will enjoy the journey. So let's start a review. As always, we'll start with the presentation first. So you will get this perfume in this kind of box. This is simple paper box. You will see the logo and name of the brand Panucci here printed in black, then the name of the line Soprano, the name of the perfume Ice printed in silver, a lot of story going on here in the back, and some ingredient details and batch code here in the bottom. And by the way, this is made in France perfume, logo of Panucci here printed on the top in silver, and then nothing on the sides. So this is basically the sleeve, the simple paper box just for the safety, and then you will get the main solid box. Here you go. This is a solid cardbox box. The design pattern is same, the color is same, design pattern is same, everything is same. So this was just for the safety. So same design here, and to open the box you just have to lift it up, and here you go. You will find your beautiful bottle in this nice foam cutout. The bottle looks really beautiful. It's frosted. You can see this beautiful color. It's a shade of turquoise with this frosted finish, and you can see the neck and the cap. The cap here comes with silver chrome finish, and it's made of metal, and you will see the initial of the brand Panucci here on the top, and even this part here is made of metal. And this perfume smells really nice, and this perfume is so underrated. I don't know why. So guys, we have to hype up these kind of fragrances because this one smells really nice. So here you will get this metallic plate with the name of the collection Soprano, and then here Ice printed in black ink, and this is the shape of the bottle. Simple. And now let's talk about the fragrance. So let me give you the notes breakdown, and then we will try to see that how this perfume actually smells. So here on the top you will get ginger, you will get bergamot, grapefruit, and some aldehydes. In the heart you will get apple, incense, geranium, lavender, and amber. In the base you'll get some musk, vanilla, sandalwood, patchouli, and balsamic. So this is the notes breakdown. So here the feel of the perfume is, first of all, very fresh. You see the name Ice. In the beginning it's going to give you that feel of ice, that icy kind of feel. It's cool, it's balsamic. Definitely you will get apple, you will get some musk here, you will get ginger, bergamot. It's fresh, it's citrusy, and somehow there are some complex notes underlying on these top fresh notes, which we will going to discuss. So here this one is fresh and complex at the same time. It's citrusy, it's fresh, it's blue, it's complex, it's aquatic, it's marine, salty kind of concoction. So all these things in this one perfume, which is Soprano Ice. So here it opens with some soapy aldehydes. Definitely you will get that beautiful soapiness, but it's not overpowering. It's not going to smell like a real soap. And then you will have that very nice apple with blue notes, some aquatic notes. It's fresh, it's blue, and then you will get some citruses, you will get some bergamot here, and then you will get that touch of vanilla. So you will get that very soft sweetness here in the blend. And then you will find ginger, and ginger is producing that fresh spicy kind of feel here. It's giving that punch of freshness here in this concoction, and obviously some white musk in the base. So this is how this perfume opens. But here the beauty comes in the base notes, because in the base you will get a very complex yet very subtle and nice incense with very strong powdery lavenders and some balsamic notes. So in the opening it will be fresh, aquatic, blue, but towards the dry down, from second phase to the dry down, this one will become powdery, incensey, complex, little bit. It's not dark, but you know, it's a bit heavy, incensey, smoky kind of perfume. So the opening and dry down, they are totally different. That sweetness will be with you from the start till end, that soft fruits will be there, but the dry down is complex and really beautiful. It becomes incensey, little bit smoky with some geranium. You will get that rose kind of touch here with some musk and a lot of powdery lavenders. Beautiful blend, very underrated. You must try if you like that blue kind of scents. If you like YSLY Elixir, YSLY EDP, YSLY EDT, if you like Rasasi Ice, if you like those fresh, little bit sweet kind of fragrances with the complex dry down of incense, then try Soprano Ice and really you will be loving it. If you really want to try something new, try Panucci Soprano Ice. I would say that this is a very complex version of Cool Water. You know, Cool Water is an iconic scent. It got an aura, you know, every single person have used Cool Water. I still got a bottle of Cool Water, and sometime when I'm in the mood, I spray it in the night or maybe in the evening or sometime in my gym, and that perfume is still bringing a smile on your face. So Cool Water was iconic perfume. So this is, I can say, it's not similar to Cool Water, but I can say that this is a complex incensey version of Cool Water. So this was about the fragrance of Soprano Ice. I really loved it. And now let's talk about the other aspects of this perfume. Let's talk about if this perfume is inspired by anything. So no, this is an original creation from the house of Panucci, and the perfumer behind this perfume is Angeline Leporini, and Angeline have done an amazing job here. This one smells really nice. In the beginning I was like, another blue kind of scent, but there it's very nice. So if you like YSLY and all these blue kind of scents, then you will try this and you will be loving it. So for performance, great 6 sprays and you will be good for the whole day and you will enjoy the whole journey. Projection, silage, everything great. And if we talk about gender, so for me this is a masculine scent, but definitely strong independent ladies, they can try it out. But for me, I would love to smell this on a guy. For the age, no barrier at all. Anyone can rock it easily. For the season or weather, this is something you can rock all year round. But the good experience will be in summers. But even in winters, you can rock this because the dry down is incensey and you know, little bit complex. So you can use this perfume all year round without any issue. With the name, you will feel that this might be a scent to be used in summers, but yeah, you can also rock it in winters. And now, if we talk about occasion, anytime in your office, school, colleges, even in your gym, sports activities, this is going to work in any kind of scenario. In your dates, it's very elegant, very classy, smells rich. The style is, of course, designer, but yet it smells great. So this was about Soprano Ice. And now let's talk about the price. So you will get this perfume in 100 ml quantity with Eau de Parfum concentration and with this beautiful presentation. And the price of this perfume on the website of DUMONT Paris is 180 UAE dirhams, but you can wait for a National Day offer or for a New Year offer and I think you will be able to save some bucks here. But even for 180, this one really worth it, a real banger. I really loved it. This is something new and something very interesting. So this was my review about Soprano Ice. Try to get it, guys, even if it's not available in Pakistan or India. I'm sure you can order this perfume from Dubai. Most of the people got some friends or relatives living inside UAE, so you can request them, you can ask them to bring this beautiful perfume for you, and you will be loving it. So this was about Soprano Ice. I hope you like this review. Do let me know in the comments box if you have tried this perfume. So I'm going to catch you in another review of another great product. Till then, put your scent on, stay fragrant, and bye.